magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ang init dito ngayon guys, as in. Tuwing tanghali, ang init-init. Pero pag umaga tsaka hapon, okay naman yung weather. So, punta na lang kami ng SM. Kasi wala din naman kami magagawa dito tanghaling tapat. Nung isang araw, nagpa-SM na kami. Ngayon, SM ulit. Ang haba na ng aking lutay. Siguro ipapakat ko siya. We'll see. So now we are walking towards 888. So yan yung 888. Bumaba kasi kami doon sa cathedral. So pwede lang naman lakarin. And it's very near, hindi ganun kainit. So lakad-lakad lang muna kami. Wait, there's car. SM Mall. We'll go SM later. Later, first we'll go this mall. Oh, this is also nice mall. We have so many malls here. Maybe. Dito na kami sa 888. Buying pasalubong for mommy and honey. The traditional. One for mommy.
Yeah. To buy for you, cat one.
For honey.
No, for you. Okay?
Ang ganda ng mga fake plants nila dito. So colorful. Ha, Daddy?
Yeah.
Hello? Uy, careful.
Yummy.
Good? Let us try it. We are done here. Ay, Ayala Mall. You want to go there?
Huh?
Yeah, we can go there also. So, tapos na kami dito sa 888. Plano namin mag-SM. Tapos nakita ni Abhi, merong Ayala Mall. So, that is Ayala Mall. Tapos yung SM dito na side. That's where we have entered earlier. We decided, punta na lang kami ng Ayala Mall. Since malapit lang dito yung Ayala Mall, guys. So, we are just walking. So, after dito, if tapos na kami sa Ayala Mall, mag-SM na lang kami. The reason why we came to 888 was for you to check the flea market.
Yeah.
Gusto ko sanang magpili-pili ng doon, ukay-ukay, kaya lang ayaw ni Abhi. No, somehow I also miss going to the flea market.
Just for checking.
Yeah, check. And for him to see how flea market works or looks like here in the Philippines. The quality is not that good there.
It's same.
Is it?
It's just that we don't have this big area allotted for flea market in Patna.
Okay.
But the thing is, the flea market is not about quality. In flea market, everyone is getting from mostly from Bangkok, Thailand. Same lot is coming, and people are buying in mixed quality. It's not like a specific brand in flea market.
So we're here now. Ayala Mall. Ang init. I want to have halo-halo also. You remember I went for OJT? This is where I have completed my OJT here. This is the accounting department of...
Internship.
Yeah, internship. I have done my internship here. And then sa kabilang side is Lagoon. Ayan. Brings back memories. Now we are going to SM. We just stroll around Ayala Mall. Now we are going to SM. Doon kami kakain sa SM, guys. Because Daddy is looking for burger.
Yeah, I want to have burger.
Your picture. Give that in the tip box, huh? Meron na naman kaming stock ng buko dito, guys. Binibili ng ate ko. 15 pesos. So, marami kami dito palaging buko kasi mahilig din uminom ng buko dito yung mga tao. Like it? Yorkie is a baby dog. It's a baby dog.
Sweet and sour or Japanese curry, 4 pieces chicken.
Fish ball, yeah. Fish ball. Okay, so, okay.
Yummy, nani.
Yummy, namit. Namit. Grocery lang kami ng kailangan namin sa bahay. Here, Mang Tomas. And you get the spicy one. That one, Siga. Where is that spicy one? Dito kami ngayon sa bagong Gaisano. There's a lot of changes dito sa Bacolod ngayon. So, explore muna kami. How's your stroll in the mall? Fun. 2 days. Yesterday we went to the mall also and today. Huh?
But my water bottle we are not able to buy.
He's been searching for his water bottle. Sa SM na lang. And what did you win, Mimi, earlier? Show them. What did you win? So, earlier she won something.
Hello Kitty!
Hello, Kitty. Sa dami ng pinuntahan namin, ito yung nabili ko. Kasi gusto ni Abhi. 20 pesos na headband. How much is this? Huh?
20, but I liked it. It's like retro style, classy. In green color.
Dahil
So
green.
green though anyways. My favorite.
Hindi man kami talaga nag-shopping. Nag-grocery lang konti and gala-gala.
My favorite is rainbow with unicorn.
Rainbow with unicorn. Okay.
Yes, it's my favorite color.
Okay. Now it's time to go home.
Bye bye. Like the bell and the like and don't forget to channel. Click the bell and the like. So bye bye.
Not yet pa gani. We are still going to vlog later. Traffic. Dito yung bilihan namin ng tinapay. Bumili din kami sa bongbongs ng ensaymada. Is it good? You wanted sweet, so it is sweets.